Hey guys, this is Valerie with Wholesale Natural Body Care, and today is Wednesday, and in Alabama we have been snowed in all week. I know a lot of you have placed orders and are asking yourself, where in the world is my order? We are so snowed in here, and Alabama does not have the infrastructure to deal with snow and ice, so basically we have to wait until the snow melts so we can get back on the roads. So what I've been doing during this time off is working feverishly to deliver to you guys what you've been asking me for a very long time, which is a startup kit for skincare. So in this kit, what I wanted to feature was the Argan oil and the Hyaluronic Acid. And the reason I chose those two ingredients is because they are just like fabulous. What they do for the skin is so amazing. I know a lot of you guys are very familiar with argan oil, but let me just talk about the hyaluronic acid for a second. Adding that in this line, it's like, oh my goodness, it makes your skin so mushy and soft, and it helps to reduce the lines that you see if some of you guys are aging. And even if you're not, if you just want to take extra good care of your skin, having that in this line just makes it fabulous. So I'm going to get a little closer here. So what I've included is a 4-ounce cleanser, which is going to be this one here. And then I've also added a face cream, because who doesn't need a good face cream? And because we want to make sure that we take really good care of our eyes, I also added an eye cream. And these products are going to be packaged exactly like this. When you get them, of course, they will not have the label. This is our label. But they will have room enough for you to do your own labels, which is really easy to do if you haven't done it before. But I just think that this is a fabulous way for you to jumpstart your skincare line. The line is going to cost $200, and it's going to feature 12 of each of these fabulous products. Now, if you guys are familiar at all with Josie Marin, I believe it's pronounced, and her Argan skincare line, you can do a comparison to see exactly what the worth of these type products is. So basically, when you get them from us after you've placed your order online, it's going to look exactly like this, and all you have to do is develop or design your own label. You can always have us do it, but that's a little pricey, and you guys really can do this. So for those of you who've been waiting for me to start putting out some skincare startup kits, consider it done. I'm also going to do the tea tree, the acne line, which helps to fight the acne type skin type, which will also include a cleanser. It'll have a hydrating gel in it because people that have acne sometimes don't really need as much moisture, and it'll also have the bump fighter. So it's been so much fun doing this for you guys, and I'm glad that I had an opportunity to do it because we've been away from our shop since last week, believe it or not. But it was awesome just being able to get this done and get the information up on our website. So go ahead and stop by wholesalenaturalbodycare.com or give us a call at 256-746-9002. And I'm really hoping that we can get back in the shop on tomorrow. If not, it has been suggested that maybe we should stay in until Friday. But these will be up on the website. We do have a boatload of orders that have already come in. So if you wanted to get your skincare line started, go ahead and jump on over to the website and take advantage of this fabulous skincare kit. All right, this is Valerie signing out, and I thank you guys for your time.